Street rod time here at Unique, especially in classics. Here we have a 1936 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe, made into a beautiful street rod, riding on American Racing chrome wheels. We have Goodrich black wall radials. Underneath the hood of this car, 350 Chevy V8 powered, that is paired with a 700 R4 transmission. Ford 9-inch rear end. Some nice equipment on this car. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Have HEI ignition on that Chevy V8. Holley carb. Nice setup, made to go down the road. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see underneath the hood, check out the underside, interior, trunk. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and the listing. Feel free to call too, 507-386-1726. FYI, this is an all-steel bodied car with the exception of the running boards. Those are glass. And these front fenders, you can see, extremely nice shape. Haven't picked up a bunch of rock chips, road rash, anything like that. Part of the reason, there is fender covers in the trunk that you can put on when you're traveling, doing a little highway driving. Put those front end fender covers on. That's going to help protect the front fenders. This body on this car is nice and straight. A little highlight pinstriping in orange and red, as you can see, going down the body line there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Trunk is finished very nice in this car, as well as behind the seats in the car. There's plenty of storage. Do a little traveling with this that he shows. It'll be a fun one to take down the highway too. Paint is in very nice driver condition paint. Car sounds good, runs good. We're going to pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay. We'll fire it up, check out the interior here. But remember, if you want to take a look over the still pictures, take your time looking through them, see the underside of this car, check out the front end on it, tell you a little bit about that. It's got rack and pinion, power steering, of course. It is front disc brakes up front, tubular A-arms, sway bar, coilover shocks. Nice setup to go down the road with. Check those still pictures out. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Once again, the number 507-386-1726. If you're interested in this car, give us a call. It's probably the easiest way. I don't foresee this one lasting too long. Alright, check out this interior. Also in very nice shape. Custom Chevy logo in the door panels there. Nice billet style door handles. Want to show you this too. They did seal this front window, so it is sealed shut. You won't get the wind noise. Can still roll down the side window here, but don't have to worry about any of the wind noise or leaking in those front vent windows. As you can see, cloth seating, bucket seats. Very nice setup. Comfortable setup. Tilt wheel, dolphin gauges. AC and heat controls right there. This car does have a clean Minnesota title. Headliner's nice shape. Let's go ahead and start this car up. Again, AC does blow cold. Electric fuel pump. Also has an aluminum radiator up there, electric fan. You can see the gauges do work. All aftermarket stereo added down here on the passenger side. Other than that, stock looking dash. Glove box. Glove box would just have venting behind it, by the way. Yeah, nice setup. Banjo style wheel. You can see how nice everything fits. Easily that closes, tight and shuts. Down to the back, listen to that. Good sounding 350 underneath the hood. Alright, I'm going to slip up here. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to open up both sides of this hood to at least get a little peek at what's underneath there. Alright, got the side hoods open up on the supports. There you get an idea. Electric fan, aluminum radiator. Another dual intake coming off that 4-barrel Holly. HEI ignition, headers. Nice looking setup underneath there. Imagine being at shows or any of your local cruise-ins, be able to prop your hood open like that. Show off a nice engine bay. Power brakes. Power steering over on this side. Nice dress up on the engine. Nice and smooth running. Remember that paired with that 700 R4. So there you go. Look for a 1936 Chevy Street Rod. Nice little coupe. Here it is, all steel with the exception of the running boards. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.